120 remote control cars RC racing car with 2 rechargeable batteries. This toy-grade RC car is designed for beginner players and children who wants to move towards to advanced level hobby-grade RC car. The 1/20th scale makes it easier to control. It can go up to 15 km/h full speed with a brushed built-in motor. Its powerful performance makes this RC racing car an ideal toy for boys and girls up to 6 years old. Certainly, adults also can get a relatively passionate remote control experience from this car for sure. Rubber material, better elasticity, wear resistance, heat resistance, chemical stability, more powerful grip, allow the car to adapt and conquer more terrains. Design tire tread. The tires deliver the perfect balance of forward traction and side bite on asphalt, dirt, and any other surface you throw at them.